What's up,
What's up?
Hi, my name is Jessica Piquet. They had apparently called the police officers on me.
Sure.
I do not wish to get arrested. I can leave right now.
Hey, listen. You have your ID on you?
Ain't no problem here. I've been working all day. Everybody's been sitting on their ass.
So what's going on? Why are you here?
Because all my shit's in that room. And I've been working here. I've been working all day.
Right, let's try to calm down. Do you live here? Do you live here?
All of my stuff is in
That's
that
not
room.
the question that I asked you.
I have established residency at this establishment.
So why can't you get in?
Because I'm in front of Carlos. I've known him since I was 21 years old. He must be an ass.
Okay. So once again, that's not the question I asked.
No,
The question
I don't need any problems.
is, if you live here, why can't you get in?
I don't need any big. What is this? I don't need backup, bro. Bro, like, tell me to leave. I'll get out of here and leave.
Well, you said you claimed residency, so we're not going to kick you out. But you're sitting in the hallway screaming, disrupting everybody. Well, why do you think we got?
Who's screaming?
Relax. Because you're getting loud, so let's relax, all right?
Okay.
Why do you think we're here? You think we just magically showed up to the second floor? No, somebody.
Magically yelling? Because I was singing. I was singing bangs. Begging for threads.
You're probably singing it too loud, huh?
I don't know. I was saying.
You think we magically showed up here?
Bro, I ain't yelling.
So listen, Miss Jessica.
I've been working my ass off. I work.
Miss Jessica. Did they escort you out this earlier today?
No, sir, they did not. But if you would like to escort me out, we can go ahead and establish that. I will not come back to here if that is the case, sir.
How are you gonna get your stuff? Yeah.
I don't know. You tell me.
Well, who's in there?
Nobody's in there right now. He's at work.
So if you live here, why can't you get a key from downstairs?
You're fucking telling me. I've known him since I was.
That's not the question I'm asking you.
Honestly, all of a sudden, I really don't know. I don't know. My name is Jessica Piquet.
How long have you been living here, Jessica?
I have been here for 2 days. I have known him for half of my life, and we have a son together.
You claimed residency in 2 days?
No,
That's unheard of.
I really don't want to say that I have established residency.
Well, you did. You did 3 minutes.
Okay, here you go. You want to establish residency? Here, I turn on my phone. You can go ahead and establish it through DCF.
All right. How much have you had to drink today?
I don't drive.
That's not the question. That's not the question I'm asking you.
Does anything matter right now? I have been working.
We can go to disorderly conduct.
I have not doing anything.
Okay. So, listen. All right, we're just here to make sure. Stand by. Talk to him.
I have been crying my eyes out.
Go ahead.
I don't need any problems. You would like me to leave? I will go ahead and leave. I just try to get my shit. And there he is.
10:26. Thank you. I'll be back on this.
2 in the morning.
Yeah.
She got belligerent drunk. She was here. She went back to go to the store. I told her not to come back.
Mm-hmm.
You did not say anything in those matters. You did not do that.
She was yelling and screaming.
Carlos, you are lying.
Does she live here?
No.
I do not live there, but all my shit is in that fucking residency.
Then I told her during the day. I said, "Tell me, I'll put your stuff
Why?
in the hallway."
How much stuff do you have, Jessica? How much stuff do you have?
A car full.
A cart full? Is it
a vehicle
full?
Do you? What's your name, buddy?
My name is Carlos.
Carlos. I
didn't ask you, Jessica. Please be quiet. Thank you, Mr. Carlos.
Yes.
Where's her stuff?
Her stuff?
Yeah. If you, is it a lot of things?
It is a lot of things. We have a child together. He is doing this out of spite. If he would like to calm down, he is literally sitting here. He is okay.
Do you got somewhere to go, Jessica?
She's supposed to go.
Yeah. 200 miles away in the other direction where he not invited me at. I could go back where the I came from.
You and me see if they want to hurt.
I can leave right away. I don't care where I go.
Okay.
You don't want me here? Yes, sir. I will abide by anything
want her
you
here,
would like
right?
to hear.
Okay, cool. So he doesn't want her here, so if we can see if they don't, then we could just trespass her. Yeah, we'll just do that. We'll just go that route.
What do you mean trespassing? You're not putting charges on me because I didn't do anything wrong.
Shush and let me talk. All right, because you're being extremely belligerent. Okay.
Are you serious?
Jessica,
You're pressing charges on me?
I'm not pressing charges.
He's not pressing charges. If you be quiet and listen for a minute, you'd probably understand the words that are coming out of my mouth. So shut up and listen. So what's going to happen is, since he resides here, it is completely up to him. Be quiet. Don't get him involved, because guess what? He can look all he wants to. He can look.
So I can look too. I'm not doing anything wrong
Listen
either.
to me, Jessica. So what's going to occur, if he does not want you here, we're going to trespass you from this building, okay, and his room, okay? And if you come back, you will have a home at the Osceola County Jail, and I can almost guarantee you that.
Bro, I've had my medication
That does
here.
not matter. You have not established
Not
residency.
a problem. You can look at DCF residency.
I don't
and
need
you
to
can
look
at
DCF.
it. Change the
I don't-
residency.
I don't
I don't
need your
care. I
phone.
don't need to live here.
This shit from this morning.
I don't need to live here.
Is all her stuff in like one area?
Yeah, because if
No,
if
he invited me. It's all over the place.
okay, so we
You
can,
want to suck, do all this shit, and throw me out.
so we can
Go
get your
ahead.
stuff and then
Yeah.
go from there.
Dismiss me.
Okay. Because you can't be a disturbance to other
I
people.
don't. Yes, sir. Not a problem.
'Cause,
At least he got the door open, where I don't have to make it a nuisance.
what's your name again, buddy?
Carlos.
All right, Carlos. So what we're gonna do whenever you get all her stuff out, we're gonna actually put all her stuff in front of this door. Okay, so she does not have any reason to come back to this door. If she comes
Can
back,
you
you
use
call
charges
us.
while
We'll
you're
just take her
doing
to jail. I'm not playing with you today. So
Can I have my charger too as well? Thank
Yeah.
you, sir. Can I come back when this is all done? Because this is wasting my damn time.
this is just highly unacceptable.
This is highly unacceptable because I've been doing this how long?
Yeah, that's
He
the
is
thing.
how old?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I only have a child with him, and we've been doing this for how long?
Just because you have a
Yeah,
child
it
with
doesn't
him does
matter.
not allow you to live in his residence.
Yeah?
No, it does. Please let me know where that
I
states
don't
that.
want to be at his residence.
Then leave. But you're still sitting here, is what I don't understand.
Look how much. Look how much. You don't figure that shit out, bro. Y'all got me.
You're bending over pretty good.
Yeah?
You got up pretty good.
Get a doctor. You're not a doctor. You're an officer.
Deputy.
You are here a deputy officer. You are not a
Are you
fuck.
gonna leave your items or what? If you leave it, you're gonna be trespassed as of right now. So you're
I'm not doing anything wrong.
It does not matter.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to grab your stuff.
You are trying to commit a situation with me. You are literally trying to make shit harder.
You grab your stuff.
Do you want to see my x-rays? Do you want to talk to him? He knows the situation, officer.
I could care less if I'm being real.
I know you don't care.
So just back up.
Yeah.
Back up.
I
and I'm gonna tell
guarantee.
you this.
No,
Back
I
up.
ain't touching you.
Okay.
I guarantee if you ended up with the
back up.
injury,
Are you gonna slide it? Are you gonna slide this or
let's see
what?
how God treats you in an injury.
Jessica, are you gonna slide this or are you just gonna?
I am cooperating with your demands.
So you're leaving?
I am cooperating. I cannot carry that.
We'll slide it out for you. That's the least we'll do.
Yes, sir. Aye, Captain. I will be there right there, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna put these in the front for you.
Everything. Slide it, drag it, throw it. I don't care. Yes, sir. I will be here, and everything that you demand, I will be right there. But what you're telling me to do, I am not physically able to do. He looked at me walking. And God will grant you the ability to walk one day too if you...
As you should.
Alright, all your stuff is right here for you. We did you a solid. Alright?
Yeah? You did me a salad?
Absolutely.
And they can't, where else is my shit's gonna get forwarded to?
That's not our problem. That is not our business. Respectfully, that's your problem.
Alright, Captain. And then what would you like me to do from here on out? Wait for my ride? To what?
Yeah, alright, so what's your plan? You gonna call an Uber or Lyft?
No, you tell me what my plan is because you're
tell
gonna
me.
drag me if I don't.
I sure will if you don't leave.
Yes, because
So what
I'm
is-
not. You
Jessica.
don't just come up to people and start threatening to drag them and to put their hands on people when they're being cooperative.
You see what happens when you're drunk? You don't even understand what's going on right now. Your phone is being charged, right? So once your phone is charged,
No, it's called PTSD.
are you gonna let me finish?
You put your
let me
hands on
finish?
me and you want to beat me? You want to threaten to put your hands on me?
Jessica.
Look, why don't you fucking look up at some other record?
Jessica,
Tell me
what
where
is
would you
what is
like
your
me to
plan
go?
on leaving, Jessica? What is your
No problem until you tell me where to drag me.
What is your plan on
You
leaving, Jessica?
told me you wanted to drag my body out of here.
Jessica, what is your plan? What is your plan? I'm
I
asking
don't
you a
know.
question.
Chaos right now because you want to drag people.
Chaos? I will drag you. You
Don't
don't leave. You gonna be saying
Maybe
it
I
again?
should have a conversation with this officer
The-
because you're so focused on
The same-
dragging people.
The same officer that you cursed
Well,
at?
I don't know because you want to drag people and hurt people. I don't know.
Jessica. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you.
Next,
Jessica.
give me a solution.
Listen, Jessica.
Jessica.
Right, give me a solution.
My solution is 402 Simpson Road, the county jail.
So
So
if-
you need to
I
listen
don't
to
do
him.
anything wrong though. You want to
Jessica.
threaten to drag me.
Listen.
Bro.
Jessica.
Listen to Deputy Dorsey.
Listen. Alright. Jessica.
No, I will listen to him without you telling me. Yes, sir, officer.
Can you calm down? You're on a 10 right now. We gotta relax. Okay? So we could either here's your options. Are you tracking, Jessica? Can you listen to me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So you got 3 options. Okay? 1, you can leave.
Yeah, I'm
Right?
listening.
Okay,
Let's figure
cool.
it out.
2.
But please stop yelling at me and tell me
Listen,
you're
bro.
going to drag my body
Okay,
out.
disregard Deputy McDonald
Right?
for a minute. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
disregard.
Okay,
A
listen.
little bit, poquito, just a little bit.
Sure. Okay, I'm right here.
Maybe I can go to get some dinner. I don't know. Maybe you can put
Jessica,
this shit
why are you?
roll in the fucking front.
I can't do that. I've done.
I don't know. Well, they don't respect what you want to tell me to respect.
Okay, cool beans. So option number 2, if you don't leave, right, and we get
I
another.
can leave, not a problem.
I'm letting-
but I need the head
Yeah,
strap.
he did you a
I
second.
have been kicked out. I have burns on my burns.
Do you need medical attention? Because if you continue to stay here, understand this can't go to the sheriff's office,
No,
and I kid you not,
everything's gonna get taken
it
away.
will get taken
Well,
away.
let's just calm.
Okay.
Stop yelling for this one because at least
one's
come out to
yelling.
another circumstance.
No one's
Because you
yelling.
just sit there on me, it's gonna try to drag my body out.
We will, because if you don't.
But I'm
cooperate
not
with us-
doing anything.
She's doing too much. She's not cooperating.
Yeah, we're literally about to get to the point of her just trespassing after warning because she's
No,
not
I
listening and
just
she's
need
not
a
figuring
way
it out.
out of here.
Okay, because at this point it's disorderly conduct as well.
Yeah.
Because you're
You're
causing.
yelling at me to
Okay.
drag my body
Okay.
out here like
Listen.
I'm PTSD.
Respectfully,
I'm
I've been
sorry,
nothing but
I'm waiting for my
respectful to you.
medication to kick in
Okay.
too because I have allergies.
You cannot be a nuisance at this
You're
establishment.
yelling at me and
You're
telling
no
me to
listen.
get out right away.
Okay, you don't listen.
Oh,
What do you?
Bro, what do you want me to do? Look,
So here, Jessica.
I am listening to everything you
If
tell me to do.
you were to be quiet, nobody was gonna give you issues.
Everything I'll leave.
You're impaired. You can't even walk straight.
Yeah? I just started walking again properly 2 weeks ago. I have been in a rehab. I have been in a hospital for 5 weeks.
You might need to go
I
back.
have degenerative disc disease. I have bulging discs in my entire thoracic. I went flying up a by going
Same
25 miles an hour.
I got bulging and
Okay, not a
herniated
problem. Yeah, you gotta be in the middle. You gotta be in the hospital place. Sometimes it happens.
Jessica, unlock your phone so it can charge.
030305.
You do it. You're a grown-ass lady.
No, what are you
Unlock your
fucking
phone.
yelling at me? Tell me I'm trespassing for everything.
Unlock your phone.
You're not giving me
You're
a
done.
chance, bro.
So, Jessica,
No.
let's leave.
We're done.
No, bro.
Then figure it out because I'm really about to take you to jail.
Bro,
Leave.
you're not.
Leave. 1, 2, 3. I promise you will be in handcuffs. Keep testing my patience. Go. If somebody takes it, that's honestly not my problem. File a report with the sheriff's office. Figure it out. If you make any loud noise again, you will be in
How
cuffs.
do I get my phone?
Take your shit and leave.
I'm trying to.
Go get it.
A chance,
Go
officer, sir.
McDonald, please grab her phone because I'm really about to put you in cuffs. I can't. I've been nothing but respectful to you.
Well, you have nothing but telling me you're gonna
Okay?
drag my body
Okay.
out because you're
All
up,
We're literally about to take you to jail.
bro.
You have exceeded all of us, all of our options.
Oh, bro, I'm not doing anything.
Okay, I'm letting you know right now. There's no more chances.
Alright, whatever you want to do, I will take my shit and go.
There's no more chances. This is extremely unacceptable.
Jessica, you need
I just
here.
started walking again,
Here,
bro.
stop walking away. Grab your shit. Charge it at a gas station.
Grab my shit.
You can't grab this. You can't grab this. Can you not grab it? Come on. Don't victimize yourself. Now leave. Now leave. Leave property. I want you to leave property.
Circumstances
Leave.
my situation.
Jessica, leave property.
And what am I going to do with all my stuff?
Call an Uber from that location, then you can come back to retrieve it. You are good to leave.
How do I do
You
that?
have your phone. Go.
But what did you say?
Listen.
How do I do that?
Leave.
Can you just stop yelling?
Jessica, leave. I'm asking. Take
Can you
your
give
legs.
me a solution and tell me you're going to drag my body?
Jessica,
give me a solution.
A solution to what?
A solution to the problem that you came here to solve.
I cannot.
Because you're.
Do you want to leave right now?
You're here for community.
1.
You're here for
Are you
your
gonna
community,
leave?
correct?
2.
Yes.
Are you gonna leave?
I will
Then start
leave.
walking. 3.
And how do I get my things?
I'm gonna tell you one more.
You are. What?
Come here. I'm done playing. No, come here.
I'm not doing
Come here.
anything. I'm not doing anything.
Come here.
Please, officer.
Nah, we'll figure it out. Nope, come here.
No,
Stop resisting.
Please.
Come here. Get her laptop.
No.
Get her laptop.
No, I didn't.
I've been nothing but patient.
No.
Stop resisting.
Ow. I have patience.
Okay.
No.
We've been nothing but patient
No,
with
I
you.
want to leave. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Relax.
Officer. No.
10-15, one white male.
No.
Female.
No, can you please stop pulling at me so hard?
One white female, my apologies.
Carlos!
Stand right here. You wanted somewhere to go, you got it tonight.
No, officer.
No. There's
No, what else?
Turn,
you can have all my
turn around.
things.
Turn around. Let me make sure these cuffs are double locked. Relax. Do not pull on my keys. Let's go. Because there's no reaching a solution with you, and that is.
No, I was leaving. I was leaving.
Sorry. Have a seat.
I was leaving.
You have a new place to go to tonight. All of your personal property. That's not my problem. Figure it out.
I have a really bad back injury.
Okay.
Can you please fix?
You're good.
Officer, please.
Your computer will go with you to the jail too.
Can you please?